What's up, guys? It's Josh from Missouri RC Adventures. We got the green machine going. I put a RC four-wheel drive motor in it, and I upgraded the servo to be able to turn these big tires. So I'm gonna let my son give it a test run. So have at it, bud. Yeah, those big tires are hard to get turning, aren't they?
Especially this and that.
Whoa!
You can't see me, I'm green.
Ooh. Tippy. Oh, there it goes.
I just put it up there.
Sure, just put it up there. Not much of a rock crawler, is it? More for probably flying through the mud or driving over your Hot Wheels, huh? These are the INJORA monster truck tires. They are not weighted. I don't think there's anything on this truck that is weighted. It is a stock Chevy chassis and a 3D printed body. Mainly just made this thing for fun, huh, buddy?
Yeah. I said I like the tires.
Yeah.
And I thought it looked good on that.
We're gonna see if it'll climb this. It's kind of steep.
Tell them what it is.
This is, we call this Bounty Hill. This side is pretty hard to climb.
This side is just made for mini RCs.
Yeah, this is where we crawl our minis. I don't know if it's gonna do it, bud.
It is pretty hard. I'm trying to go as slow as I can, but whenever I use force, it goes fast.
Yeah, they don't have enough weight in the tires, does it? Yeah. Definitely needs some weight.
I'm just gonna set it up here. So that's definitely the hard part for it at the bottom.
All right, guys, there it is. Maybe if we ever get enough rain to get some good mud puddles, maybe we'll run this thing through some mud. What do you think, bud?
Yeah.
See how those tires work in the mud. But there she is, 3D printed body, scx24 Chevy frame.
And I chose the color.
Yep, he chose the color. Upgraded servo. It's a eco power. And
it just needs the grill right there.
RC four-wheel drive motor. Yep, I still got to put a grill on it, don't I? And the INJORA monster truck tires. But there it is. It's working.